Do you like bagels? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you love bagels, right? And maybe you're on a keto diet. Maybe you're, trying to lose weight or whatever the case is, and you know that bagels have a lot of carbs in them, right? So this right here is one of the best hacks that we've got. And it's how to make this into a bagel. The first thing you do, I don't know if you've got one of these or not. These are the greatest things in the world, air fryer ovens. So set it for 375 and hit the timer up, 10 minutes. It's gonna preheat, and it preheats so fast, way faster than your regular oven. Then you just dump one packet. You just kind of dump it in and then mix it. And then the secret is 2 egg whites, okay? 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you just stir it up, okay? Starts to look like a batter. Parchment paper, this is the greatest stuff ever made. You just dump it right on here. Here's the other cool thing with parchment paper. Take a big piece, fold it in half. You can use this thing 4 times now, or more. Get the batter on there. And then you just kind of move it around a little bit. Kind of shape it like a bagel. Trust me, it does not have to be perfect. Check it out, bagelicious. Put it in. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Look at that thing. Hold on. Hold on, it gets even better. That is a bagel. Hey, hit the like button, subscribe, definitely make a comment. If you got any questions about anything, please hit me up on there. You got the link to my website, to my Facebook, and I'm always willing to have conversations with people. If you got any questions on anything, I'll be making these hack attacks over and over because I got a bunch of them. So we'll talk with you soon. Have a great one.